there's just 2 slides for this, although just to give you a warning for what's to come, for the digestive system, there's so many slides. There's a lot. But for the respiratory system, it's not so bad. It's just the trachea, this is the trachea, and the lung. So, on low power, the trachea, that's your windpipe. So that would be the lumen where the air is. This, and I'll go to higher power in a minute. This is the pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium. This is the same slide you would have used in 204 when you did the tissues for that epithelial type, pseudostratified columnar. Under it, you've got connective tissue with, you see those round things in there, sort of, these round structures. Those are exocrine glands, they're producing mucus. So those are mucus-producing glands. And then this is, can anybody tell what that is? Cartilage, right? Those are the cartilage rings. So we're looking at a slide of the trachea where there is cartilage, because you know there's also in between the rings, there would just be connective tissue. So going to higher power, just so you can see them better. Here's the pseudostratified columnar. Okay, remember this is the epithelium that you really can't reason it out. I mean, the fact that it's pseudostratified. Every cell in here is sitting on the basal membrane, but no way can you tell that. So it looks stratified, but it's actually simple. And then the cells near the lumen are columnar. See, they have that potato-shaped nucleus, hence pseudostratified columnar. And it does have cilia. Those are the hairs, the cilia. And then you're also supposed to be able to make out goblet cells, which this slide's not so great. So I do have one more slide I was going to show you. But this, so I'll have to show you goblet cells on the other slide. These are the glands in higher power. So you know, they look like bagels or something. And then, so these are exocrine glands. That lumen would be going into the duct. Remember, exocrine glands have ducts. So, you know, sometimes if you look at enough slides, you probably would see a duct going up through there into the lumen. And then there's the classic cartilage with the chondrocytes and lacunae, and this is hyaline cartilage. So the background looks sort of glassy, smooth, although really there's a lot of collagen in there. Okay, so it's classic organ. You got epithelial lining the lumen, connective tissue underneath, in this case with glands. And then, you know, outside of that, you usually have like muscle, smooth muscle, or in this case, cartilage. And then I am going to show you one more slide of the cartilage, of the trachea. So this is actually, except for the goblet cells, this is a really nice slide because the cartilage looks like cartilage. But most of our slides